Hey guys, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I'm so excited to announce that I have finally and once again teamed up with my fabulous lady friends from the Dessert Networking channel on YouTube. Years ago I teamed up with these gals and we did fantastic collaborations. I mean, if you want to see some really amazing cake decorating and cookie decorating, these ladies are absolutely phenomenal. So I'm really excited to have teamed up with them again. This time we're doing the theme around the movie Game Night. So we've all picked like our own favorite game that we love, and just wait till you see what we are doing with this collaboration. So definitely be sure to watch through to the end, click through. All the links are going to be below if you want to check out all the specific videos, which I hope you will. I mean, they're just fantastic. I'm so thrilled to be teamed up with these guys again. I never really claimed to be much of a cake decorator, not compared to what these ladies are doing, but I am going to show you how to recreate a chess cake. It's actually a playable chessboard with pieces that are movable, and it's really fun and super simple. I mean, I claim to be like cake decorating for beginners here. So if you're a beginner, you're definitely going to like what I'm showing you. But if you're more advanced or just really love to watch some really fantastic decorating, be sure to stick through to the end. Click all the links to go check out all of their videos. And let's get started with game night. Alright, so first things first, to make the chocolate chess pieces, you will need a couple of things. Vegan chocolate in white and dark, and the candy molds for the chess pieces. Now, I got my molds at a store that's local to me here in New Jersey, but they also sell these on Amazon. I'll link to everything on the written blog post and below this video. Now, I also bought this chessboard mold, but it was a major fail. For some reason, it just kept getting these cloudy spots in the center of my chocolate board every time I unmolded it, so I ditched that thing and ended up doing it another way, and I'll show you later. But these chess pieces came out really great. Just be sure you are using tempered chocolate if you do not opt for the King David vegan non-tempering chocolate that I'm using. Once they are set, you can pop them out pretty easily and then glue them together with more vegan chocolate. Now to make your cake layers, and I'm using my favorite vanilla cake recipe with fudge filling. All the recipe links are below the video as always, or just go to my written blog post with all the recipes together on one neat page. I have full video tutorials for all those recipes, or you can pick really whatever recipes you like best to make your cake. I baked the cake in an 8" by 8" square pan, filled it with fudge, and then a light coating of buttercream just to seal it all up, and then I'm covering it with fondant. I wanted to make this chessboard look like it has an authentic wood border, and it's hard to see what I'm doing here because everything is so white, but I'm just marking up the surface of the fondant with my spatula, and then by mixing some brown food color with vodka, you can paint it to make it look just like wood grain. Don't worry, the vodka will evaporate off and leave you with a wood grain appearance. A bit more straight up gel paste for those darker spots, and don't forget the sides too. Now to roll out more fondant for the actual board. In black and white, I'm cutting out the squares, and I'm actually glad that my chocolate chessboard mold didn't work out because this looks 100 times better anyway. Now to put the playing pieces in place, and I'm doing that by running the bottoms of the pieces over a warm frying pan just to make sure that they stand up straight, and also this way they'll stick to the fondant since the chocolate melts ever so slightly. Now I have to make a disclaimer here because I mentioned that this cake can actually be played. Well, that would be true only if you make a larger cake to accommodate the number of squares needed to finish the board. Obviously, I couldn't get any more than this to the top of my cake, so if you want a playable cake, you will have to make a half sheet size in order to fit the board and all the pieces. But you get the idea, and as much as I love this cake combination, I surely did not need to be eating an entire half sheet cake all to myself. So this is really how simple it is. I hope that you guys like it and will want to give it a try. I know you'll be able to pull it off with some simple tools and these few techniques that I showed you here. Head on over to GretchensVeganBakery.com to grab all the best recipes, and all the links to the chocolate and the molds that I used to pull off this cake will also be on the blog post too. Oh yeah, but before you do, make sure to click through to watch these other great game night ideas from my friends. Again, all the links are below, and if you do go check them out, be sure to tell them Gretchen's Vegan Bakery sent you. Alright, thanks to everyone for watching. I would love it if you subscribe here to my channel for more great vegan recipes weekly. And until next time, happy baking. Bye for now.